Alpine has marked the 100th anniversary of its birth of its founder, Jean Redele, with the world premiere of a limited edition model that celebrates his pioneering legacy and that of the brand he created, the A110 GT J Redele. Based on the A110 GT model, a new limited edition features a color that Jean Redele was particularly fond of, Montebello Gray, combined exclusively with a high-gloss black roof. The exterior is completed with diamond-cut black 18-inch Grand Prix alloy wheels, through which exclusive silver brake calipers are visible. Inside the black leather interior and elegant gray stitching throughout the cockpit emphasizes the synergy between the Montebello Gray paint scheme and the dark styling elements. The A110 GT J Redele Limited Edition is powered by the same intoxicating 300 horsepower engine as the A110 GT. Limited to just 100 units in reference to the 100th anniversary of its founder, each vehicle will carry a numbered plaque bearing the signature of Jean Redele.